My gut rebalancing program is really designed to follow the wisdom of your own body. It's broken down into like three core pillars. And the first thing that we have to do is calm your system down. We have to calm your gut down. We have to calm down your nervous system, which includes calming down the inflammation. Like, we have to create this environment for healing. Right now, what you're doing is you're not offending. So you're not doing things to offend, but the environment for healing hasn't been created. And that's the first pillar, is we have to create this environment for healing. Then once this environment is created, then we can begin to do the restorative things to help to heal the gut. And then the last pillar is rebalancing the gut. And that process is a little bit different for everyone because everyone's body responds differently. So it's not one of them situations where it's just like if you do this for 30 days, then your gut's gonna calm down. It depends on how long your gut has been angry. So for some it might calm down in 2 weeks, and others it might be 2 months. It just depends. But if you're consistent and you're doing the right things, then it happens relatively fast. And then from there, we do the healing work, and then we do the rebalancing work, and then from there it's a process of integration, and now it's integrating back in certain things that will begin to push your gut a little bit, and we'll be able to tell like the health of your gut based on how it responds to certain things. So it's just this journey of pulling away to create healing and then adding back on, and in doing that, other things improve because now you're able to absorb better. Your nervous system is working better, and in the holistic health field, we call your gut the second brain. So if the second brain is working better and is communicating with the first brain, and we call it that gut brain axis, if that's working better, now your focus is better, now your memory is better, now you're not getting the brain fog. So it's just this process that takes a little time to pull everything back together.